Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna do an unboxing. Peter, I'm not gonna try to pronounce your last name, from Australia, sent me this box. It's the Iron Man Stan Lee pops. Pretty cool guy. I mean, to send it all the way from Australia. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. See, I have to flip my camera. I don't know how to do that, but while it's recording. Yeah, box looks to be in pretty good shape. So, open it. See how the pops look in there. Multi-tool is supposed to be easier to use. Peel off all the paper on there. Oh. Evidently he knows the Postal Service plays soccer with these things. Put them in sorters and put newspaper around it. Cool thing is, it doesn't tell you what's in there. Awesome. So, I told you to have to put protectors on them, bro. Thanks so much. Wow. There's the other one. Dude, thank you so much. You did not have to put, I told you you didn't have to put protectors on them. It's so cool. The funny thing about the Stan Lee ones, though, is they're all over Walmart, and Walmart's supposed to send me an email if they were supposed to be available, but they haven't. They're really bad, I think, with when it comes to that stuff. Thank you again, Peter. So cool. All right, guys, you have a good day, and see you later.